Are you looking forward to rotate your apps on iOS 26? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily rotate your iPhone apps. First thing first, move into the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for the application Quickie. Move into this app. You have to install this application on your device. Once it has been installed, you will see the option of Open. Simply tap on Open and open the application. Once you're in the home page of the app, click on Add. You need to select small icon 2, where the apps is rotating. Once you have selected this option, you have to enable this icon shadow, and then click on Save. Tap on Watch Video to unlock forever. One ad will appear on your screen. Watch the full ad and then you will be able to get this small icon feature. There you go, the rotating app is now available. You need to go back to your home screen and move into the page where you want to add the widget. Tap and hold the screen. Click on Edit at the top left corner of the screen. Click on Add Widget. You have to select Quickie Medium. Swipe left or right and choose Small. Once selected, tap on Add Widget at the bottom of the screen. Now you can place this anywhere on the screen. Once added, you have to long press in this option. Tap on Edit Widget at the bottom. You have to click on Choose and then select Small Icon. After that, enable Is It Transparent. Once done, if you go back to the home screen, you will be able to see that the application is rotating. So this is simply how you can rotate apps on iPhone. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.